Guys, what's up? This is Ibrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ibrahim Vlog. So, guys, today after a long time, I brought a video, and in this video, we will talk about some interesting features in all new Kia Sportage 2021 model all-wheel drive, top of the line. So, let's begin. See the first interesting feature. So as you know that it's night time and we have the key with us. So once the car is locked, let me lock the car. So as you can see, the car is locked, and once it's once I will unlock the car, like as you can see the light over here, as you can see, it's very convenient. It's on the both sides. Let me show you. Just it's also on this side, so it's convenient because at night we cannot see the handle properly because of some light problem, and this very convenient features, one of the convenient features as you can see. So let's look at the second feature that is very interesting in this car. It's, as you can see, this reflector on the side door. It's on the back door as well. It's, as you can see, it's on the driver's side. Let me show you. Yeah, it's on the driver's side. So if the car door is open and someone comes from the back at night, the person coming can see the car door opened because of this reflector. This is very important feature at night, which is missing in almost all the Pakistani cars. Most important, most comfortable and useful feature I miss in all the cars in Pakistan, it's lumbar support. It's the back support of here this side. If we goes on the long route, our sometimes our back feels pain, and this is the most important feature you should have seen from here. It's a very nice feature. So let's go forward to our next feature. Let me show you guys. Before this feature, I would tell you that the driver seat is 10-way powered electric, and the driver one is 8-way electric. So here we have our button. This is the car and it's on. So another feature that is, let me mute the car. It's automatic headlight controls. As you can see, it's night. So if I have just pressed auto from here, as you can see, it's auto and the lights are on. And if we have to just on the parking lights, we can on from here, and these are the headlights. And it also shows off in this MID display. As you can see, it will show. Another most important feature is its auto rain sensing wipers. It's only in Toyota Grande and in this car, in Pakistani cars. So if we press on, if we adjust it on the auto, the once it's raining, the wipers will turn on automatically. Here we have the sensor of the rain sensing. Another most important feature is this glasses holder. That is in, I think, Grande, and it's not in Civic. I am not sure. Here we have parking brake, which is in Grande, but which is in Civic X, but not in Grande. See, here we have panoramic roof. Let me on the lights. No, no. Yeah, as you can see, this is the one of the best features that I like in this car. I think it's the best. So let's move on our last feature, but not the least. Let's feature I'm going to tell you is its auto trunk tailgate. We can open it from three different places. One from the key, one from the interior of the car, and one from the back. Here we have a button. It will automatically opened, and here we have also button for closing it. And as you can see here, we also have a light. And yeah, it's a boot separator, which is also a useful feature. I know it's some light problem, but anyways, we can also adjust. It's just closing. Yeah, it's now closed. So guys, once let me show you its headlights and tail lights so you can see.